the bottom one. I think it's military.
Why is military here?
Well, because they're everywhere.
They're all just flying around for no reason?
Well, they're, yeah, probably. It's really odd. They're not moving in a straight direction either. Look, the one is going way out that way. You can hardly even see it.
It's going to Afghanistan, because there is a war going to Afghanistan.
Blah, 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 blah.
You're not recording.
This is, we're nowhere near Afghanistan. There's no reason for any kind of...
maybe our military academy, they're going from there to Afghanistan. Definitely not a star.
And not a star. And there's another
And not a
one
satellite.
over here.
Maybe they're...
Yeah,
Right
I
over
see
here,
it. I
there's
see
another
it.
one.
I know.
Are you getting it?
Well, there's nothing to get at the moment,
it's
but
the
they're behind the
military.
trees.
Possible that it's extraterrestrials, but, you know,
Where are they?
beings that
Here it
come
comes.
from other planets.
This one's coming from behind that big
Why
tree on the right.
is it Earth?
There it comes.
I don't know. But we're not the only ones. Our planet is not the only planet with life. There's a lot of other planets that have life on it.
Aliens are mean, right?
Look at that. Wow, that's bright. That's not a plane. That's not a normal plane.
It's not a satellite either.
No way. Satellites are way up there and move a lot
I
slower.
wish I could capture. That's
satellite.
the satellite up there. Yes.
That's some...
I can't capture the satellite on the camera.
Don't worry about it. That